guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look right here using all my favorite products. I know I've mentioned quite a few makeup products in my most recent favorites videos, but I wanted to make a video using all the products that I've been loving the past few months or like 2020. And this is the makeup look that I came up with, and I took you step by step through my whole entire makeup routine process. So grab your makeup and let's do makeup with each other. Before we get into the video, I do want to ask you to go ahead and to subscribe to my channel. We are at 270. We've been, well, 267, but we've been in this area for a little too long for my liking. But I really would like you guys to join my family, join my gang or whatever. I post videos every Thursday and Sunday at 4 p.m. Makeup, hair, fashion videos, lifestyle videos. So if you're into that sort of thing and you like my personality, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you feel so inclined, go ahead and follow me on my socials. They'll be right here. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I do is prime my face. Like I said before, I did my skincare this morning: wash, tone, serum, moisturize. And I am going to first spray my face with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Cucumber 3-in-1 Primer Water. I do really like this primer water to start my makeup and throughout my makeup to set in the powders. Before I actually set my face, I like to spray that because it just refreshes my skin. And then I move on to my Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I love this primer. It is just phenomenal, to be honest. So like my skincare, I put it all over my face. I've been using it the entire year of 2020. Okay, and while that sets, I like to put it on my face first, let it set, and then I go in with my brows. Now I'm not going to do my brows on camera because, to be honest, it's going to take me a minute because my brows aren't groomed at the moment. So I'm going to skip that part and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and my eyebrows are done, and I also prepped them. So I carved them out with the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer. I used SX11, and then I set them with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. So we're ready to move on. I'm doing my foundation, and I'm going to be using the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation in the color Marquises. This is medium deep 5, and I love this foundation. It gives you such a natural, beautiful, satiny finish. It's matte, but it's not cakey matte. It doesn't feel like you're not getting any air circulation in your face or your skin. I would highly suggest this foundation. Just put it on my face like this. And then the stripe. This might be a lot for people, I'm not sure. I'm going to be using this BS Small Face Flat Angle Brush, and I'm going to blend it in. So don't come for me yet. It's going to work out, I promise. I think this is more of my summer shade. I think I got lighter, but everybody calm down. It's gonna be okay. So I'm gonna take my beauty blender, and I'm just going to go in and just blend that out a little bit more, especially around my nose. Make sure it's in my skin. Okay, so now that it's blended out the way that I want it to be, I'm going to move on to concealer. The concealer that I'm going to use is the Juvia's Place concealer in the number 13, as well as the Uma Beauty concealer in the color Bronze Venus T3. The lighter one I'm going to use right up here, and then the darker one right here. So the Juvia's Place concealer I'm going to put right here. Then I'm going to be using the Uma Beauty concealer, which is this one. It's a little darker than that, and I'm going to be using it for my nose, and then my forehead, right here, my chin, and then just right there. So now that we look even more crazy, we can move on. And I always start with my chin first. This part first. And then blend it together. Okay, now that we got that blended out and together, we're going to set. So to set, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to press that translucent powder into my under eye. This is what it's looking like so far. We're not done. Don't worry, don't panic. The next thing I like to do is move on to my bronzer. And the bronzer that I'm going to be using today is this Neapolitan bar, as well as this True Complexion contour palette in medium dark. And I'm going to be using this shade right here. The first one I'm going to use is this Neapolitan bar, and I'm taking the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH13 brush, and I'm just going to frame my face with the bronzer, starting here. So I'm going to start at the top near my ear and then take it down, and then get into the concealer that we set with the powder. So just to deepen it up just a little bit more, I'm going to be taking this one and just a little bit. Tap that off and just right there. Right there. Right there. I'm going to actually go back into the Neapolitan bar and use that color for my contour. My nose contour, and I'm just going to go here. I'm starting right under my brow, and then I'm just going to draw a line and then a straight line down, just like that. And we are going to blend this out, so no worries. there, and then a straight line straight down. Now, the next step, I'm going to be taking the foundation brush that I use to blend out my foundation, and I'm just going to pat it. It shouldn't have that much product, if any product, but I'm going to pat it between my bronzer and my concealer to blend it out so we won't have any like harsh lines. So, because we want it to be flawless and seamless. We don't want to ever have any marks of demarcation. That is what it's looking like now. Okay, and the blush that I'm going to be using is the Neapolitan Bar, this blush here. It's this one right here, and it doesn't have a color, but that's the blush that I'm going to be using. And I'm going to be using this Morphe X Jaclyn Hill. I'm using all Morphe Jaclyn Hill brushes, but they're pretty good and then inexpensive as well. So the JH11 brush to do my blush, smile, and then go up. So the most pigment on your apples here, and then up. This is it, guys. So first you're gonna spray the face. So I'm gonna spray the face with this Beauty Bakery Sweet Grace baking spray. It comes off like so wet, but it works. So I'm gonna just like take it back here. And then press with my blender, my sponge. So this is the final look, and I like it. It's real cute. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and if you did like this video, go ahead and thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I don't have anything else to say. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.